Hi, we're here with Mike Silverman from Drone Aviation. Drone Aviation has actually been working with CNN on a UAV that could be safe for newscasting. We have an example of it right next to us. Now, Mike, the interesting thing about this is it's got a tether on it.
That's right.
Why does it need a tether?
Well, with the tether here, we can supply power and get data from the vehicle itself. And we bring it all the way down to our ground station. We could get telemetry off the unit as well as the video feed.
Okay. So that makes battery life a non-issue because there's no batteries, correct?
That's right. Well, we do have a redundancy battery system, and we actually have them on the ground side and on the vehicle side. So should there be an accident, or in the event of an accident, we could use the battery system on board to land. We have 90 seconds of flight time using that battery to come down and safely land. Won't hurt anybody. Everybody will be safe and sound.
So both power and signals come down that tether. What kind of signals are you sending back and forth?
Well, we have telemetry and video feed. Those are the two main ones. We could get the health monitoring of the vehicle and live feed. Yep. And with the certain payload that we're using right here, we could get day, night, and thermal vision. Yep.
What kind of wires are in the tether? Is there anything special about that technology?
Nope, it's a very simple wire actually. It's Kevlar braided, and it's just a 2-conductor wire going all the way up.
What kind of power levels are we talking about to run this thing, going up the tether?
We are running a high voltage running up to the system, but it's very safe. We do all the training. We teach you how to operate the vehicle safely. There should not be any issue.
High voltage so you can use low current, correct?
That's exactly right.
Can you tell us what those levels are?
Well, they range. If we're on standard flight, we may be around 70 amps or so.
Mike, how do you manage the tether going in and out?
That's a great question. We actually have a winch system where the tether is spooled around the winch, and as the vehicle is changing altitude, more slack will be let out, and then as it's coming down, it'll take slack away. Yep.
One other question for you, Mike. Since the emphasis on this development was a safe news gathering platform, what other safety features did you build into this?
Yep, well there's several fail-safes built into the system. Again, like I mentioned, we have redundant battery systems. Should power fail on the generator, well, we have backup battery on the ground power module down here. And then again, if for any reason we lose power over the tether, well, we have a battery backup system on the vehicle to safely land the vehicle.
I see. And I notice you have tandem props. Is that a safety feature or a propulsion feature?
You know, well, it minimizes how large the vehicle is. We don't have to have 8 legs coming off. And for our purposes, it's been working very well. No complaints on it. We have folding props, so we can nicely fold the vehicle if needed. We could fold down the legs, the boom arms there. And yeah, it's just been working flawlessly.
Great. That's interesting technology, Mike. Thanks.
Thank you so much.